nice. We're like blazing through this book.
Not really like fast.
Is it on?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is cool. Okay, this is the math class, and if you want to be entertained by all these lovely people,
Maybe.
you're gonna do this work. It's page 510, WE 1 to 20, and page 515, W is W 1 to 25. So,
I didn't have enough room to put the E in.
I feel like you should do this.
It's good to
Yeah.
Okay, number 1.
Okay, that was ridiculous.
Ridiculous.
Write the problem down. Underneath, give me the cross products. Meg,
Okay.
Can we do it next week so we
Okay.
save paper?
underneath.
27 is less than 36.
Correct. And then circle your answer.
Congratulations.
Number 3, write the problem down. It's negative. Make sure your negative signs stay with the numerator. Negative 3/4 compared to negative 9/13. Cross products.
It's negative 39 is less than negative 36.
Good. Number 5, you have 3/4 and 24/32. Cross products.
It's
Or you could mentally simplify and see that they're going to be what? Anyone sees it?
equal.
They're going to be equal. Quickly in your head.
48.
4 times 24.
96.
96.
All
Well,
right.
we shouldn't have to worry about that because we said it was equal already. Between. Number 7. Cross products. We need to change negative 18 and 2/5 to a fraction. Marion? 5 times 18 is how much?
What? Where?
7. It's negative
Oh,
18 and 2/5.
okay.
Change it to a fraction. 5 times 18.
5 times 18 is
Anyone?
140.
It has to
90
say that 90.
plus 2. I want you to get
92.
some mental math speed.
I did that in my head and I got it, but then everybody said it before I did. They were mean to me.
Cross products?
Right. Wait a second. All right. It's negative 6, 44.
Compared to negative,
Negative. That's
655.
655. It says less than or greater than.
less greater than.
Right. Number 9 through 14, you are to get these in order. So let's just use the decimals or whatever looks the best here. Give me the decimals for 4 7s, 3 8s, and 5 9s. Just give me the leading digits. 4 7s is what?
5-7.
0.57, 3 8s is point, we know that one. 0.375, right?
Mm-hmm.
And 5 9s is 0.5 repeating.
Repeating, yeah.
Oh,
Okay, so what's the correct order? You gotta give me the fractions in correct order.
This is
What's the smallest one?
0.5 repeating.
Vincent, I think it's just yours. What's the smallest one, Vincent?
the smallest one is 0.375.
What's the fraction? I
Oh.
need the fractions in order from these.
3 8s.
Then what?
Then 4 7s.
No.
5 9s.
0.55 repeating is smaller than 0.57. And then
Oh, and then 4 7s.
4 7s, and that's your answer. Number 11. The only one we need to know is the 18. What's 107 divided by 18?
5.944 repeating.
5.9, okay. Well, we just need the 5.9. So what's the correct order of that, Steffi?
Negative 5, 5.6, and 107 over 18.
Good. Number 13, in order from the least to the greatest. Well, we know what, this time let's just use the fractions and see if we can kind of figure it out. We know 1/2 is going to be the what?
50.
The biggest?
No,
Just look
it
at the
shall be
fractions.
this small. Yeah, big.
It's gonna be the biggest because all the others are less
Yeah.
than half of their denominator, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so, it's yours, Patrick. We know 1/2 is going to be the top one, the last one.
Absolutely.
So how are you gonna arrange the others? Do you have any ideas?
4/15.
Without even doing any work,
7/24.
4 is quite a ways away from half of 15, right?
Yeah.
Then what's the next one?
5, 6. Wait, no. 7/24.
7/24. Its denominator is large. You can check it with a decimal, and then 5/16.
Yeah.
And then the 1/2. Okay, but you can always use your calculator, get them in order. And then 15 through 20, find the number halfway between the two given numbers. Do you want to do it that one method? Or we
Which was
just
easier?
get the least common denominator, or get a denominator they share? Okay, what denominator did they share?
63.
Okay, put 63 down. Put the two numbers down first, two fractions. Okay, 5/9 is how many 63rds?
35.
45.
Could you please be right? I trust you.
Wouldn't it?
Well, he's correct, 35. 9 goes into 63, 7
Oh,
times 5 is
And then
35.
36.
And this is 36. Now we only have a space of
1.
1. Let's expand it, just increase, double the denominator. It'd be 120.
6.
So that means you'd
Can we do it next to it?
go down.
Okay.
This would be,
70.
and this would be,
72.
so what's the middle?
71. Over
There's your answer.
126.
Number 17. This time we have negative 4/25 and negative 9/50. The denominator we could use, anyone? 50, so this would be negative 8/50 and negative 9/50. There is only, there's no space between them. Let's increase it to 100, and that would be how many 50ths?
16.
16.
And this increase that to 100, that would be,
Negative 18.
so what's the number in between exactly in the middle?
Negative 17.
Number 19. 2 3/4 change it to what?
11 over 4.
And negative 3 3/4 is,
Negative 15 over 4.
how many spaces are there between those two numbers?
4.
No, that's a,
Oh,
it's a
sorry.
negative 15, so you gotta go all
Oh.
the way up to 0. That's 26 spaces, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Uh-huh.
Well, that's divisible by 2.
Yeah.
What's half of 26?
13.
So add 13 to
Negative 2.
negative 15.
Negative 2.
So you get negative 2/4,
Negative
which
2/4.
is
1.
negative 1/2. There's the middle. And then the other page, have your calculators handy because we're going to use them. Numbers 1 through 25. You are going to express each rational number as a terminating repeating decimal. You may use your calculator because they say you can. So number 1, A. What's the decimal for that? You don't have to write the fraction.
0.6 repeating.
All right, Meg's going to give us
15.
0.6 repeating, and what's 2/30? Meg, put it on a calculator, watch what happens.
Oh, 0.06 repeating.
So what do you think 2 300s might be?
0.006 repeating.
Yeah. All right, number 3. A, negative 4/9. Nicholas?
It's negative. It's negative 4 repeating.
0.4 repeating.
Oh.
And negative, let's see if you can figure it without the calculator, what's negative 4 over 9,000?
Negative.
Point,
Negative 0.004 repeating.
well, how many zeros do you have?
Oh, 3. 0.004 repeating.
Yeah, you can double check it on the calculator if you're not, you want to be sure. Number 5, the decimal for that one, Maria? You don't need a calculator, it's 1 3/8, so it'd be 1 point what?
375.
375. We have that memorized, don't we?
Negative.
No, it's not negative.
Oh, that's
Number 7, 15/11,
Wait, what?
Marion.
okay, but number 7.
15/11, Marion. Just give me the answer.
1.36.
1.36.
I have lots of Marions in here.
36.
Sorry.
Number 9, -7/18. Vincent? Vincent, use your calculator, please. I don't know
Sorry.
why you're staring at the book.
0.38.
What kind of,
Negative 0.38 repeating.
what's repeating?
The 8.
Okay. Number 11.
13.
11.
Didn't we just do 11?
No, it's not.
What?
3 and
Oh!
9/20. So put the 3 down and just
Sorry.
give me the decimal for 9/20, which would be what? Steffi? You don't need a calculator for that one. 20 goes into 100. 5 times 5 times 9 is
45.
0.45. Number 13, 3/11. Patrick,
0.27 repeating.
correct? 15, -18/37. Meg,
Negative 0.486 repeating.
what's repeating? All of it or some of it?
All of it.
All of it. 17, read the decimal and then write the fraction and we'll simplify. So 0.2 is read how, Nicholas?
2/10,
And simplify, we got our fraction, you just gotta simplify it.
1/5.
1/5. 19, read that one, Maria.
325 or 1,000.
How many quarters in 325?
13.
And we know there are 4 quarters in 100 and there's a 0, so that's it. Number 21. 0.4 repeating, that one we know.
4 9ths.
That's 4 ninths. I don't have to work that one out. 23. It's negative 0.283 repeating, so first of all, we need to use what large equation to subtract?
1,000.
1,000. Just remember the answer is going to be negative. So that's 283.3 repeating. I have how many numbers that don't repeat?
2.
So I can't use 1x, I'll have to move it over 2, so I'll use
100.
100x, so that's going to be 28.3 repeating, right? Now, when we subtract, the repeating part goes out, so now we can work it. What's 1,000 minus 100? What's 28 from 283? 8 from 13?
255.
And then we make the fraction. The fraction is 255 over 900. It's negative. Can that be reduced?
Yeah.
Yes. Divide by 5. What do you get?
51.
Well, 51 on top, negative 51 on the bottom. You get what?
45.
Is it still divisible by something? You got an odd and even. Check what number.
3.
3 goes into 51. How many times?
17.
3 goes into 180. How many times?
60.
Here's your final answer. And 25. 0.07 repeating. So the large equation is going to be what? Everybody?
100x.
Equals 0.7 repeating.
And everything repeats, so I can use
1x.
1x. So the repeating parts line up and I can subtract them out. There they go. So 1 from 100.
99x equals 7.
And the answer, the fraction is,
7 over 99.
just remember those are easy to check. If you're right, just put them in the calculator. Okay, we're done. Stop the taking, please.